What's up guys, Express here, back with another video. In this video we're going to use our phone to design something. In this video we're going to try to use our phone to design. This is the first time I'm going to use this. I watched some videos just to see what it is and how the interface works and everything. So I'm going to try to make a nice header and let's see if it's better than Photoshop. So yeah, what we see here is just a simple Ibis Paint. I asked in my Discord server what the best app is for in Android or like phone graphic designs, and you guys said this is one of the best. Does not make any sense. So we have a 3000 canvas and we're going to do something simple. We're going to have like a nice little text on top of it. I don't know if you guys use one hand, two hands, put it on the desk or something, I don't know. I've looked through some fonts before. There's a lot of fonts in here that that you can use. Okay, looks good. So I've seen that you can make 3D text instantly. So we're going to layers and we're going to duplicate that layer. Okay, I've just looked up tutorial on how to do this. Okay, I had no idea. I was sitting here for 30 minutes on how to duplicate a layer. Anyways, yeah, we duplicate that layer. We're going to select the bottom one, and then we have this little FX and you have like all of these effects. I've looked this up as well. So and then you have extrude like that, and you have 3D text. Like this is like really cool. I mean, this is like easier than in Photoshop. Like, come on, you press one little thing, you have 3D text, bada bing, bada boom. It's that easy. Okay, you have to have premium for a gradient, which is kinda sad. Also, I want to fill in the background with a specific color. I guess that's the bucket tool. Why is that not colored in? That's a bit weird. Because isn't it on a different layer? Yeah, it's on a different layer. And why should you select it? That's just weird. And then we can add maybe a stroke to it. There you go. Now that is some nice text, not gonna lie. And then what I wanted to do, I wanted to do something basic as well. I get shapes, shear, cross. It's like a little star effect that I kind of like. We like do random things. Just hear me out. We do random things. Pixel. We can. Oh, see, like that's what I mean. We can put like little squares behind it, like, and then you can make your background, and it makes so many sense. Okay, we're going to do that. We have like these these lines that we can use as well. You can even choose from which direction. It looks great. Come on, it looks fantastic. Looks really basic. I can do 10 times better in Photoshop. But anyways, we make a new layer again. We can have materials. What is this? Anime background, real background, manga balloon. Let's add a manga balloon. This is hella weird. I don't know. I'm adding the weirdest text. Not gonna lie. I'm just feeling it out, man. I'm just feeling it out. Okay, I guess. Let's see what else they have in the gallery. Let's see what else from random things I can add. Patterns. Let's do it. I'm happy with that. It's weird. It's hella weird. It's my first time doing anything. I mean, if it's a great thing. The FX button is like one of the greatest thing in this app. I mean, does my head look good? No. Does not look good. It's my first time using it. It's like the first time if I used Photoshop. I mean, would I want this as my head? No. Was it fun? I guess. I mean, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me, designer uses Ibis Paint X first, or designs on phone for the first time. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's something different, something special. If you want more phone designs, no, I don't want to do this anymore. This was a pain in my ass. Like, who does this? Who does this with the finger? I can't do this. This is not normal for me. I want a mouse and keyboard. But anyways, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, do more if you want, and if you have any ideas like this, let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Thumbnail face.